welcome to week 7 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a easy sun motif. For this I have chosen two colors, yellow and orange. So before starting this, we'll see what are all the stitches we are going to use in this. To begin with, you have to do a magic ring, then followed by chain stitches. Here I have done 4 chain stitches, which is equivalent to 1 triple crochet. So this is a triple crochet. Then we have slip stitch, chains again, and single crochet, half double and double crochet. So first you shall do a magic ring. So this is how your magic ring will look like, and now you can make 4 chain stitches. So this is the beginning. Now you should do 19 triple crochets into the magic ring. So 4 chains is equal to 1 triple crochet. So on total you have 20 triple crochets into the magic ring. So once you are done with the 20 triple crochets, now you can pull the tail end so that your center part will get closed. Now make a slip stitch with the topmost stitch on the chain. So now to give better color, I'm going to choose yellow here to distinguish better. Now you can again, so now you are here where you completed it with a slip stitch. Now you should make 5 chain stitches. So already we have 1 loop. So I'm going to make on total it's 5 chains, and I'm going to start in each loop there's going to be different stitches. So on first one you're going to make a slip stitch, then on the second one you're going to make a single crochet, and in third one you're going to make a half double, then fourth one, it's going to be a double crochet. So now you have done this on top of the chain stitches. I'm going to connect this with the next stitch. So on the next loop you can do a slip stitch. So while making this slip stitch, you can combine the orange and yellow yarn, the leftover of yellow, the tail end, and the excess yarn from the orange. So I'm going to seal it here in this way. So once you can do this for 2 or 3 more stitches, then you can just cut it off. On the next loop, we are going to make a slip stitch and we are going to repeat the same procedure. 5 chain stitches and we are going to do 1 slip into the previous loop, then single crochet, half double and double. Now again on the next loop, you can close this with a slip stitch. So while doing slip stitch, you can hide this yellow and orange part on the back side. So now again on the next loop, I'm going to make a slip stitch followed by 5 chain stitches. I'm going to repeat the same procedure. So on the next one, I'm going to make a slip. The same procedure shall be repeated for the next 8 times. So totally you'll have 10. This is your final one. Now you have done all the 10 edges. So to finish this off, you can make one more slip stitch with the beginning one so that consistently you will have all the stitches here. So with this slip stitch you can pull as much as yarn you want to make this as a charm. So now you can cut the orange color which you have hidden here, and the yellow was already hidden completely. I'm just going to cut off the leftover. And now I have left some sufficient yarn for the charm purpose, and I'm going to cut the excess. Now with this tail end I'm going to make a knot. So I'm just going to take this tail end here just by using the crochet hook. So once this is next to this part, I'm going to make a knot, a tight knot. So 2 or 3 times also you can just make a knot so that it will be tighter. I've done for 2 times. And just you can hide this yarn in random places. Once you are done hiding, just cut off the excess, and this is how your sun motif looks like. We can just use this as a back charm as well. Thank you for watching.